Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the battery drain between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi K30 while playing the videos in the MX player. So if you're first time watching this video friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description for the playlist of Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30, so you can find plenty of videos related to the both the phones and you can decide which phone to buy before actually buying the phones. So before starting the video, let me show you the exactly models of what I'm using right now in this video. As you can see here friends, the Redmi Note 8 Pro on one side and the Redmi K30 on the other side, as you can see here clearly. And let me show you what settings I'm using right now. In the Redmi K30 I have used with the 60Hz refresh rate, as you can see here, to make the this battery life test even. So that's why I choose the refresh rate to 60. So even the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got a very same refresh rate 60Hz, so it will be the equal comparison between both the phones. So I got the same video loaded in both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the K30, and I'll be playing the same video continuously in a loop. So for a couple of hours, and I'll be back. Let's check which phone will drain how much and which is very good in terms of the battery backup. So the very important thing to be noted is that both the phones comes with the same kind of battery capacity, that is 4500 mAh capacity. So that's why I'm very interested to check the results, so which will give the more battery backup in terms of the watching videos. So throughout the test I'll be using with the aeroplane mode in both the phones. So as you can see here friends, right now the battery percent is of 100%, and let me start playing the video in the MX player and start the stopwatch. So before starting the actual test, let me show you exactly what resolution I am playing. So as you can see here friends, 1080 resolution I am playing, same video in both the phones. So I'll be playing in a loop continuously throughout the time. As you can see, I have selected the loop this video continuously. And let me start the test and stopwatch at same time. As you can see friends, I have disconnected the cables and starting the test, and let me turn on the video. So let me choose the exact brightness in both the phones. So as you can see here friends, I choose exactly 50% of the brightness in both the devices. So overall you can see here friends, the brightness right now in the MX player is of 7%, and even in the Redmi Note 8 Pro is of 7%, as you can see here clearly. And I won't be using any earphones in this test because I don't have the 2 or 3.5mm jack earphones to test this. So that's why I decided to not to connect any earphones and test this video playback using just the not 100%, just with the 50% of brightness. And let's check which phone will give the more battery life. So again I'll be back after a couple of hours and let's check again. So as you can see here friends, I have played the same video in both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30. So let's check the which phone has a what battery percentage right now. So as you can see in the Redmi K30, the battery dropped to the 57% after playing continuously for about 8 hours, as you can see here friends. And let me check the in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, it dropped to 52%, as you can see here clearly. So overall there is a difference in of 5% between the Redmi K30 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro device friends. And this is a quick video playback test in both the phones when I kept in the airplane mode, not using any Wi-Fi or any 4G data. So as you can see here friends, it's been more than 18 hours of continuous video playback in the both the device Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30. So what I did for the initially for the up to 8 hours, I ran with the 50% of brightness, and later I decreased to 10% of the brightness. So let me show you the results what I got. So let me open the battery statistics and let me show you exactly how much screen on time and everything in the device. Meanwhile, do check the links in description friends for the playlist of both the phones. You can find plenty of videos in the description below. So as you can see friends, the screen on time is around 18 hours and 6 minutes. So continuously I was watching the videos in the MX player. So let me also open the settings of Redmi K30 and show you how much battery percent it has got right now. So both the phones are having the same kind of 4000 mAh 4500 mAh capacity. So as you can see here friends, both the phones ran for same time, so 18 hours continuously. So let me show you the exactly what is the battery percent. As you can see, your friends, 8% and 19%. So in the Redmi K30, you can expect up to 1 hour or 2 hours more video playback is possible in the Redmi K30 when compared with the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. If you have any queries regarding the smartphones, you can comment below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.